Hi, welcome back, Shiners. My name's Chance, the owner of Texas Shine Doctor here in Cypress, Texas. Welcome to our shop. So we're going to talk about the process and what your vehicle will go through in a ceramic coating. Obviously the vehicle is going to get exterior detail. We're going to wash it, we're going to clay it, we're going to de-iron it, and then we're going to move into the paint correction phase. So paint correction is going to remove swirls, water spots, any kind of defects that's kind of hindering the gloss of that clear coat. And then it's going to go through a significant solvent prep stage after that. And then coating is going to begin to get applied to the paint. It's going to get applied to the glass. It's going to get applied to the wheel faces, your headlights, your grills, your plastic trims. So this customer brought us his BMW, and he was more concerned on a product that would protect it from the bug etching, the water spot etching, making it easier to clean. So after hearing him out and hearing what his concerns were, we decided to go with our 5-year ceramic coating package. We need the vehicle for about 2 to 3 days in most cases, sometimes a little less if it's a new vehicle. So when it comes to coating the wheels and the glass, it's not going to protect the glass from getting rock chips or anything like that. Again, coating doesn't protect against any kind of curb rash, rock chips, or anything of that sort. What it's going to do for your glass is it's going to keep it from getting water spotted. It's going to keep those bugs from really etching it up on long trips. And then when it comes to coating the wheels, most of our packages are going to be coating the wheel faces. This is just going to make it easier to clean, kind of prevent the brake dust from embedding into your wheels. We do also offer a separate service. It's called the wheels off service. That's where we're going to take the wheel off the car and we're going to coat the barrels and coat the calipers as well. So general cost of this service is going to range anywhere from $800 to $1,300 on average. Sometimes for bigger vehicles and more thrashed on paints that are going to require more paint correction, it could be a little bit more. But if you are curious on a quote for a coating for your vehicle, if you want to swing by the shop, we can go over it together, go over some numbers, take a look at your vehicle, or you can give us a call at 832-745-3397. We're located here on Muskee in Cypress, Texas, right behind the Webb's Automotive. So thanks for tuning in.